Hello, 800 students. This video is going to talk a little bit about Mod 2. This is your first written submission, and so I wanted to show you again how to get to the assignments in the calendars page and to go over this assignment just for some clarification purposes. I'm on the course shell. This was sent to you within the first email, that my introductory email. So if you click on assignments and calendar and then scroll down, this gives an overview of the assignments and the modules, and it gives some parameters for the assignment. So make sure that you read over this. This is the calendar down here. So I have clicked on Mod 2 and its due date. The description that much has been written about issues surrounding global media and its effect on culture, privacy, diversity, and other issues. There are authors out there that warn internet consumers of the impact of technology and what it has on our lives. So something that I want you to think about, to put in the back of your mind, is, are there global conglomerates out there that have a say-so in what you see when you search on the internet? Do they have a say in what pops up on your Facebook? Think of that. Consider what you are seeing on the internet as far as any search engines, any social media sites, things of that nature. So also, do you agree or disagree? Support your response and provide one credible reference in your post. Make sure that you use the APA style reference. As a side note, movies such as WALL-E and Transcendence each have undercurrents that address our dependence on various resources, as well as our dependence on machines and technology. So I want you to keep that in mind also. In order to get the full 50 points, you need to make sure to include one ISTE standard and one TPACK standard. Please make sure that you put that inside of the bulk of your writing. If you want to use a Google Docs to submit your writing, you can do that. If you want to post it and type it directly into the community, you're welcome to do that also. It does not matter to me. So the required elements, you get 10 points if it is on time. You get 10 points for including 2 of the standards. You get 10 points for your creativity. And then your 20 points, the bulk of the points comes from your discussion and that you have referenced some outside sources. So I hope that this gives some clarification on your first written assignment. And as always, if you have any questions, please make sure to contact me via email. Thanks.